Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome in maths class again. And here first chapter's second video. So let's start. Here you're going to learn unit number 1.4 to 1.7. In that I'm going to explain you forming 4-digit numbers, place value and face value, again expanded notation and standard form. Here we are going to learn how to form numbers with the given set of digits. So let's take one example, that is 2418. To form the smallest number using this digit, we arrange them in the increasing order. So arrange the digit in the increasing order. Increasing means you have to arrange from small to bigger. So those digits are 1, 2, 4, 8. So smallest number is 1248. Smallest number means increasing order. Okay. Now to form the biggest number using this digit, we arrange them in the decreasing order. Decreasing means bigger to smaller. So 8, 4, 2, 1. The sequence is 8, 4, 2, 1. So the greatest number is 8422. Let's go for one more example, 3084. So arrange in the increasing order. Increasing means smallest to biggest. But here when we arrange in increasing order, the sequence will come 0348, and 348 is a 3-digit number. So we have to interchange the number 0 to 3. So we have to change their position. We have to take 3 first and 0 second number. So it will become 3048. So the smallest number is 3048. Read with me, 3048. Then next, arrange in the decreasing order. So we have to big to small. We have to write big to small. So 8430. So the greatest number is 8430. What you have learned here? You have learned if 0 comes in the digits, in the number, 0 can't come on the first place. Like if the number is of 4 digit, so 0 can't come on the thousands place. It will become 3-digit number only. So whenever 0 is there, you have to arrange 0 in the second position. Okay, in 4-digit number, you have to arrange 0 in the 100 place for the smallest number, and for the greatest number, it obviously will come in the last. Hope you understand this. One more example, the digits are 7050. So here again I took examples of 0 to understand you guys, to understand better. So first is arrange the digit in the increasing order. Increasing order means small to big. So here you have to take 5 first and 0, both 0 on the middle and the last 7. Okay, because if you take 0 front of the 5, it will become 3-digit number. Alright, then arrange the smallest number is 5007. Read with me, 5007. Now arrange the digit in the decreasing order for the greatest number. When we arrange, we will get 7500, 7500. So the greatest number is 7500. Here we are going to learn how to form expanded form. Okay, so let's take one example, 7348. We'll arrange it on the place value chart, 1000, 100, tens and ones. So read one more time, 7348. So on thousands place 7 is there, or 100 place 3 is there, tens place 4, and ones place 8. When 7 is on thousands place, its value become 7000. Understand? And when 3 is on 100 place, its value become 300. When 4 is on tens place, its value become 40. And 8 is on ones place, means 8 only. Okay, so 7348. So let's write in the expanded notation. 7000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 8. 7348, and you have to open these numbers. So 7000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 8. Hope you understand this. For you, let's take one more example to form expanded form. The example is 4609. Let's arrange this in the place value chart. Read with me. 4609. 4 is on thousands place 4000, 6 is on 100 place 600, on tens place 0 means 0, nines place 1 means 9 only. So write this in the expanded notation. 4609. When 0 is there in any number, that value will become 0 only. 4000 plus 600 plus 9, because on tens place 0 is there, so your tens place will not come here. So read with me. 4609. Hope you understand this. Let's go for some more example of expanded form. First one is 5647. So how you read, you have to write the same way. 5000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 4. Next one, 8390. You have to read with me, okay? Second time when I'll repeat, you have to repeat also with me. 8390. How to read? 8390. So you have to write here 8000 plus 300 plus 90, because on ones place 0 is there, so we have to write 90 full here. Next example, 1111. 1111. So 1000 plus 100 plus 10 plus 1. Read again. 1000 plus 100 plus 10 plus 1. Now let's go for place value and face value. Place value already you know, 1000, 100, tens, ones. Okay. Now face value. Face value means the face value of a digit in a number is the value of digit itself. Means whatever they ask, face value of any number, you have to tell that number only. For example, in 5230, what is the face value of 5? So 5000 is there. That is that place value. Face value should be 5 only. Place value should be 5 only. And the place value of the digit in a number depends upon its position in the place value. Let's take one example, 4321. So first we'll go for place value. As you all know that place value means wherever the number is on which place, you have to read that place value's value. So 4 is on thousands place, 4000, 4 into 1000, 4000. 3 is on 100 place, 3 into 100, 300. 2 is on tens place, 2 into 10, 20. And 1 is on ones place, it is 1. Okay. Now face value. Face value, as I already told you, whatever the number is there, whichever place it is, place value it is, you have to tell the same number only. So 4 is on thousands place, but its place value is 4 only. 3 is on 100 place, but its face value is 3, not 300. 2 is on tens place, its place value is 2 only. And 1 is on ones place, so its face value is 1 only. When you see your face in the mirror, you see your face only, na? Correct? Yeah, you see some heroes, heroines face. No, you can see your face only. So face value means whatever digit they ask, the same digit value it is. Okay. One more example is there, 6823. So we'll go for place value. Place value means the numbers whichever place value it is, you have to read like that. Like 6 is on thousands place, so 6 into 1000 is 6000. 8 is on 100 place, so 800. 2 is on tens place, so 20. And 3 is on ones place means 3 only. But what about face value? Face value, see, when 6 is on thousands place, the face value is 6 only. The face value is that digit only. Okay. And the 8 face value, 8 is on 100 place, and the face value is 8 only. 2 is on tens place, so its face value is 2, and 3 is on ones place, so its face value is 3 only. Understand? Now I'm going to show you the standard form, how to form a standard form. For standard form, already you learned how to write expanded form, okay, place value, okay. So that is the bridge for standard form. In expanded form, you have to write 9000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 3. This is one example. So you have to keep those numbers in the place value chart. 9000 means on 1000 place 9 will come. On 400 means on 100 place 4 will come. 60 means on tens place 6 will come, and 3 means it is on ones place, so already obviously 3 will come. So standard form, what you have to do, you have to take those number directly, okay, directly as it is on the place value. 9 is on 9000, 9, 4, take 6 from the tens place, 3 from the ones place, so it becomes 9463. Here comes standard form. Here one more example, 3000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 5. Here you have to convert this into the standard form. It's very easy. This place value 3000 means thousands place 3 is there, 700 on 100 place 7, and 20 means on tens place 2, and 5 means ones place 5. So you have to take these numbers to the standard form. So take these numbers, 3000, 7 from 700, 2 from 20, and 5 from ones. So it becomes 3725. Standard form means you have to take the main numbers from the expanded form according to its place value. So kids, again I'm telling you, for maths practice needed. Take some examples. From those examples, try to solve place value, expanded form, standard form. Okay, how much you do practice, that much you will become perfect. So enjoy your day, stay home, stay safe.